Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Todd's picking it up. Let's go.
We got together to do this music, the more we became enveloped, we just developed a fellowship. There's no pretension, it's friendship, me nemesis, assume nemesis ain't for him, it's just me. You see the image, just images, the shit is no gimmick. Blood in and blood out, when it's big, you just gotta know when the blood in and blood out. If there's a problem, we solve it, we don't resolve it, it usually just evolves into one big brawl, and we all get involved in it, we should all get a merit. There's most beef we inherit and wear it like a badge of honor, pass it around and share it, and let it go to whoever's holding the most current beef on their shoulders, and the soldiers got the backs so it's over. But tonight, we ain't coming here to beef with nobody, we came to party. Legs cash is a Mr. Ferrari, so it's shady after Miss Ad back in that ass, you was asking this song, what kind of philosophic position is
This
this?
is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
I say I run it, cause I'm in control. Hypnotic, gonna see a couple shots of Patron. I ain't feeling nice, I get your eyes a kite. Party pop, shorty said she coming with me tonight. I ain't so delineant, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm bobbing my head, or I'm just standing there watching. I'm a hustler, I hustle, you can tell that I'm paid. And I protect what I got, I'm in the house with my blade. Nigga, you first, you gon' get it. Okay, now maybe I'm silly, cause I want you to treat it. Yeah, I be on that shit. You should see when I'm stunting, I flash the stones to be buttoned. Push the whips in me rolling, you can tell that I'm rolling. I'm just doing my thing, you know the units to gang. I got my crime, you shady with me, you front, you'll have to get me off your ass. I paid a lawsuit and laugh. It's not a big deal, it's nothing but some game.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like the design is written in his head every time before he even touches the key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
Matt, what do you got to say about this?
Jacob, what is that?
You guys got anything to say about this? I like it. Very futuristic. Matt,
Yeah,
what do you got-
it's
what
a
do you got
nice,
to
it's
say
a
about
nice
this?
subway train. I gotta admit.
But is there anything special about it?
Has a certain YOLO swag to it.
Does it now?
Like as you can see, it's traveling on the tracks. Like that's something I noticed. Like the tires and the rate on the tracks. It's just very nice.
7 frames.
So how come the tracks end there and not in between these tires?
Jacob, don't criticize other people's work.
Okay. Oh no! Paper, get out of here!
Maybe
Okay.
because Brennan completely messed me up.
Okay, Jacob, what do you got to say about yours here?
Mine's coal powered, and as you can see at the front here, we
Okay,
have a little.
bye.
Holy shit. These frames. At the front here, what?
At the front, we have a little ring-a-ling.
Yeah.
It has a nice plow at the front.
Okay, well,
Jacob,
that's nice.
Yes.